Hello and welcome to this week's Trades of the Week video. My name is Adrian Boothie and I'm the head trader here at Trend Signal. I'm just going to go through a handful of trades here for the last week or so that have closed out. Some lovely trades actually last week, and picking up around about 550 across the 5 trades that we're going to be looking at here. And starting off with sterling dollar. I mean, it is a real favourite for a lot of people, and you know, with the last couple of trades like this, it's quite easy to see why. It's obviously very liquid, it moves decent speeds, and there we had our buy on the 28th of August. Now, it kind of went sideways for the first couple of days, but has really picked up pace last week, moving on through nicely to our objective. Now, it's actually gone a bit past our actual objective, but that's fine, so be it. We don't mind leaving a little bit of profit on the table for manners. Certainly the long there from 129.30, the market moved on nicely enough for a quick 97 points or so. I say quick, took a few days, but doesn't really matter if it hits target, does it? If it takes a week or takes 2 or 3 weeks, we're happy with it. And you know, we've had a few decent ones. The likes of Euro Sterling also just notching through to its target today. We went short from 92.09, looking for 91.09 for a 100-point move. Lovely short on Euro Sterling, as I say, good profit. DAX as well, moving on really nicely today. Good strong moves there. Let's just zoom into that one a little bit. Really close to getting our entry away there on Tuesday. In fact, the market closed 2 or 3 ticks away from giving us a buy trade then. But as was, we got our buy there away on the 6th of September, looking for a 100-point move, and it's done it. It hit our target there today for, say, a further 100-point move. Euro Sterling, or Euro CAD, sorry, I should say, giving us a short there from the 1st of September from 146.98. Look at the rotation there from green to red, extremely clear where that entry opportunity is. Close of that bar, just need 20 minutes a day to do this stuff, guys. From 146.98, a 100-point target, going down to 145.98, and a nice, relatively quick profit there on that Euro CAD move too. In fact, a lot of profits on the CAD markets over the last middle of last week there on that Canadian rate change. And then finally, looking at Sterling Aussie, so a good mix of different markets in today's video there. We can see here a bit of a up and down move, actually up, down, but we hit our target, and we hit the target on this little spiky bit here. In fact, we've gone way past the objective now. The original buy being here on the 28th of August as those indicators rotated from red to green, giving us a nice buy, and here hitting our target there just by a couple of ticks, but actually really nicely surging through that now. So everyone should be out for a nice profit. How much profit? That was a decent sized one. That was 149 pips profit there on Sterling Aussie over a couple of weeks of hold there. So that's all in all just shy of 550 points off those 5 trades. But the key thing about this is, when you're looking at trading, you're looking at trading strategies, you've got to be asking yourself as to whether it's simple enough that you'd be able to follow it all the time. And that's not really meaning to patronize really, but you want a strategy that's simple to follow, that there's no second guessing, that there's no confusion. You want clarity over your execution that's then going to develop confidence. And when you've got that confidence, that's also going to increase your desire to increase your stake size, where you're really going to start to monetize your trading account. But a lot of it all comes down to the confidence of your execution. So when you're looking at a clear entry point like this here, it's very clear to see where you're getting in. It's very clear to then have the confidence to be able to place those trades rather than sitting there thinking, is it a trade? Isn't it a trade? I don't know. And if you want to know more about this strategy, why don't you tune into one of our free live trading webinars. We've got one on Tuesday at 7 p.m. That's 2 p.m. Eastern time. So you can log in to the session there, and we'll teach you a couple of the strategies, including the sniper trading strategy. Go through where we put our stops, where we put our targets, how we manage those trades to maximize our profit potential as well. It's a great session. You'll learn a lot, but you've got to register. Somewhere on this page, you'll see a link and a form to then click on and complete the form and register for the event that best suits your schedule. Hopefully we'll see you online, and have a great week's trading. All the best, and bye-bye for now.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.